Right, quite a key misconception here about percentages. If you increase by 10% and then increase by 10% again, you don't actually increase by 20% because the second time you're increasing by 10% of the new amount. So it's going to go up by even more. And here's how you can do it. You can, I'll talk about another way you can do it in a minute, but basically the multiplier to increase by 10% is 1.1 because if I've got 100% and I add 10, I get 110%. Um, and then for me to increase by 10% again, I would times by 1.1 again. And now I've got a decimal multiplication. I can change this to 11 times 11 if I then divide by 100 at the end because I've times by 10, I've times by 10, so I need to divide by 100 to compensate. That's going to give me 121 over 100, which is 1.21, which is 121%. So actually the correct percentage increase is 21%. Now, if you're not a big fan of multipliers, you can do it by just trying a number out. So I kind of even hinted at it here. I could have my starting value. I could just try a number, like 100 is a nice number to start with, increase it by 10%, which gives me 110. If I then find 10% of 110, it would be 11. And if I add that on, I'd get 110 plus 11, which is 121. 100 has gone up to 121 after increasing by 10% and then increasing by 10% again. And I can see that this would again be a 21% increase.